Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Clucky Jr. from Clucky's Logic animated by Gametoons. In Clucky Buys His First House episode, Clucky introduces his son, Clucky Jr., and announces that they will be moving from Clucky's restaurant to a new house. However, Clucky Jr. goes missing. A light blue egg with dark blue spots appears, half-hatched and able to walk, with only its torso and head still inside the shell. It rolls out of a room and accidentally slips into a ball pit. The ball pit monster circles the egg and tries to attack it, but Clucky comes to the rescue. He takes some punches from the monster while the egg cracks and rolls out of the ball pit. The egg ends up near the castle door, and when Clucky checks to see if it's hurt, it cracks open, revealing a cute baby chick. Clucky Jr. strikes a cool pose, and the baby chick wears suspenders like Clucky, only with blue eggshell pants. As Clucky contemplates whether the restaurant is the right place to raise his son, Clucky Jr. wanders into the fry oil room. Clucky catches him with a fryer basket. Later, Junior plays with Barney Beaverton's drill but then tries to climb a tree climber in Rufus Ribbit's solarium. Once again, Clucky saves him from falling. Clucky shares his plan for their first house, where they can enjoy country life together. Using an invention capsule, he creates Mrs. Clucky to help take care of Clucky Jr., and they move into the old family farmhouse left to him by Paul, starting a real family. Clucky works to fix the broken farmhouse. Meanwhile, at the restaurant, Jackson Jackal takes advantage of the situation, becoming the leader and overloading Rufus Ribbit, Barney Beaverton, and Polar Prince with too much work. They want Clucky to return and take control. Barney goes to Clucky's farmhouse and calls him. Initially, Clucky rejects the idea but eventually agrees to help his friends. Clucky, Mrs. Clucky, and Clucky Jr. head back to the restaurant to rescue their friends, who are imprisoned by Jackson Jackal. Clucky Jr. kicks Jackson in the face with his little legs, then helps open the prison so Clucky and Mrs. Clucky can throw Jackson Jackal in and imprison him. The episode ends with Clucky Jr. proudly standing next to his father, showcasing that he is a strong, cute superhero who, together with his family, saved their friends from Jackson Jackal. I hope you liked this video. Please comment below on which character you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.